Hi there, are you stuck trying to record a mobile application with OBS? You've set up your game capture and you get something like this instead of something like this. If so, don't worry, I have a trivially easy solution for you. As a bonus at the end of the video, I'll show you something that will make this solution even more versatile. If you're interested, stick around. Without further ado, let's get going. Go to the link you see on screen. By the way, all the links will be in the description of the video. This is a plugin for OBS that allows for the recording of an audio source separately. As you can see, the installation instructions are pretty short and simple. Click the link to the releases. Here you can see the latest executable. Download it and install as you would any Windows program. Since this isn't a tutorial of Windows basics, I assume you know how to do that, let's skip straight to OBS. Wanting to record a gameplay, we have to record audio and video. Let's handle the video part first. Make sure you have Bluestacks running and select sources in OBS. Add a basic window capture. Remember to set the Bluestacks player in the capture field. The exact size and crop settings depend on your individual needs. Don't worry though, if you set the emulator to full screen, OBS will follow. That's part 1 done, now let's handle the audio. Add a new source and use the new option Audio Output Capture. Select the device you wish to capture. Normally default or speakers will do. Let's jump to Bluestacks and verify that everything is set up correctly. Go to Settings, Audio, and under Speakers, select what you've just selected in OBS. That's it, you're good to go. Tell me down in the comments if this solution worked for you or not, I'd really like to know. Take a moment to like and subscribe, and I'll be right back with the tip I promised. Go to the link on screen and download the virtual cable. Install the driver, restart your computer, and come back and watch the rest of the video. Welcome back. As you can see, you've got 2 new audio devices. Now simply set up OBS and Bluestacks like so. What this does is outputs your Bluestacks audio to the playback device that is separate from the rest of your system. This way you can very easily tell OBS to record it to a different track, thus keeping your game sound separate from anything on your system. Such isolation makes working with the recording much easier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers.